What's happening, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. I am going to have a great night. I'm going to my first helicopter ride. Never been in a helicopter before, so I'm looking forward to it. Going to drive down to Linden Airport. Company's called HeliFlight. They give tours over the city, New York City. So that's what I'm going to do. Come along with me. Hope you enjoy it. I know I'm going to have a blast. See. This is my first time going up a helicopter, so being in a helicopter and everything, it's totally different than being in a airplane. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm psyched up. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this video makes you want to go out and take a lesson or two. I don't know, maybe I might.
Shall we begin?
Well, I'm here. HeliFlight, and gonna go up at 6 o'clock. It's right now, it's 4:43, so I'm a little early, but I gotta go in there, probably sign some paperwork and get some instructions on, what to do. So anyway, yeah, come inside, check it out.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Airport. Automated weather observation 2006 Zulu weather wind 30 12 gust 20 visibility 106,000 scattered temperature 15 Celsius dew point.
That was amazing. Oh my God. Really cool, totally different experience. I think you should try it. Well, that was the flight. amazing time in a helicopter. If you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. Hope I got some good shots for you guys. Hopefully maybe you can go check out HeliFlight. Call them up and schedule a flight. I think it's really, really worth it. Amazing, especially over New York City. That's just incredible. So yeah, give them a call. All right, talk to you later. I gotta go, and remember, aviate first.